Alright, let's continue looking at some more examples of solving equations with multi-steps, with multiple steps. So, that was a previous example, that was our last example on the previous video. Let's look at D. D, we have 11 times x plus 6 equals 33. So same thing, right? Let's start moving anything that is not x to the other side of the equal sign. But first, we can't really move or do anything with this 6 over here. We have this 11, so this 11 is the least immediate operation to x. So if the 11 is multiplying on this side, it will be dividing on the other side. So we end up with x plus 6. And at this point, let me write down the 1 for now. At this point, the 1 can be written there. Okay, so we can get rid of the brackets. At this point we can start getting rid of the brackets. So 11 is multiplying, it goes dividing on the other side. So 33 divided by 11, that's going to give us 3. We have 1x plus 6 equals 3. Let's move the 6 to the other side of the equal sign. 1x equals 3 minus 6. That gives us negative 3. So x equals negative 3. Alright, now mind you, there's another way of solving this. You could have also done distributive law, and in fact I'm gonna write the same example right beside it. Well, in fact I won't write it down, I'll just do this. You could have also done, I changed my mind again, you could have also done the distributive law. So x plus 6 equals 33. Oh, I forgot to put to close the bracket. And we could have done 11 times x, 11 times 6. Right. So I'll now write this answer in blue. So 11 times x gives us 11x. Positive times positive. 11 times 6 gives us 66 equals 33. And then 11x, we move this 66 to the other side. It becomes negative 66. 11x gives us negative 33, and then we need to get rid of the 11. The 11 is multiplying, it goes dividing on the other side. So negative 33 divided by 11 would have given us the same answer, which is negative 3. Okay, so same thing as before, right? You can always pause the video, try it yourselves. Let's look at another example. We have 5 minus x equals negative 2x plus 1. Okay, so very similar. We need to collect like terms. Let's put all the x's here. Before we move this x to the other side, we need to take care of these brackets, right? So we need to expand this expression. So we do the following: 5 minus x, multiply this monomial by this polynomial, so negative times positive, negative 2 times x, 2x, negative times positive, negative 2 times 1, 2. Alright, so essentially, just in case you're wondering, we use the distributive law to do that by taking care of the signs. If you're not sure, you can look at the previous videos on multiplying monomials by a polynomial. Alright, let's start moving all the x's to one side of the equal sign. So let's leave them on the left side. By the way, you can also leave them on the right side, but right, if you want to be consistent, or if you prefer, I prefer the left side, it depends, right? Negative 2x, it moves to the other side, it becomes positive 2x. We keep the negative x there. This 5, when it moves to the other side, it becomes negative. You have a plus 5 here, it becomes negative. The negative 2 stay there, so, and the plus 5 becomes minus 5. Alright, 2x minus 1x. 2x minus 1x gives us x, minus 2 minus 5 gives us minus 7. And that's our answer. One more example for you guys, and in fact, once again, you can pause the video and try it yourselves. 2x minus 5 equals 24 minus 3x plus 1. Alright, this one is a little more challenging. So let's try it once again. So use green. So you can pause the video, try it yourselves, compare the answer, and if you're done with that, let's look at this. So 17 minus, you have a minus in front of this, so everything will switch signs. So that becomes minus 2x plus 5, and over here we end up with 24 minus times positive, minus 3 times x, 3x, minus times positive, minus 3 times 1, 3. Let's collect the like terms. So let's leave the negative 2x on this side. So negative 2x. Let's move this negative 3x to the other side. It becomes positive 3x. Now, on this side, we're left with 24 minus 3. Now, let's move the 17 to the other side. It becomes negative 17. And this 5, let's move it to the other side. Positive 5, move it to the other side, it becomes negative 5. Alright, so negative 2x plus 3x becomes 1x, or x in any case. And here we have, so we can do 24. You have minus 3, minus 17, minus 5. This is equal to minus 20, minus 25. Alright, so we end up with 24 minus 25 gives us minus 1. And you can check this answer yourselves, and don't forget to subscribe.